Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Pranita. In today's video, we are going to learn set operators in MySQL. This is an important topic in SQL because set operators helps us combine the results of multiple selection statements into a single result. Before starting the practical, let's first understand what is a set operator. Basically, set operators are used to combine the results of two or more select queries. For example, suppose we have two tables containing student records. If you want to display data from both tables together, we can use these set operators. The mainly set operators used to first is a union, second one is a union on, third one is a intersect, and fourth one is a expect or minus in some databases. Let's understand each operator as a practically. So firstly, open your workbench and connect your local host. Select a new SQL file. So firstly, already we have created CollegeDB database है. So हम वही database क्या करने वाले हैं अभी use करने वाले हैं. So first use CollegeDB. This query is executed. So next one, second step is a create a table. So create a table for student A and student B. Two tables will be created. Create table. Table name is a student A in bracket. Semicolon is most important part. First column name is roll number. Roll number. Data type is integer. And second one is a name. Name is a varchar. Varchar is a data types. Size is most important. So table A is created. Student A table is created. Second table is create table student B in bracket. First column name is roll number. Data type is integer. Second column name is name. Data type is varchar and size is 30. So second table also will be created. Insert the record within a table. Insert record into student A. Insert into student A. Values 1 in single inverted comma. Yeah, comma. Second name is Rahul. And third name is Rituja. So only 3 records will be inserted in student A table. Okay, see here, student A table records will be successfully executed. Insert record into student B table. Values value 3, comma Neha. Fourth one is a Shruti, and last one is a fifth one is a Riya. Display both tables using select query. Select start from student A. Okay. Student A table will be displayed, same as a student B table will be displayed. See, two tables will be successfully created or data will be inserted. So let's our point. First set operator is union operator. Union operator. So basically union operator क्या होता है? The union operator combines the result of two select statements and remove duplicate records from automatically. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो डुप्लीकेट records है यो automatically delete हो जाते. So देखते हैं using the select query. Select star from first table name is student A, union second table name is select star from student B. Okay. In MySQL combines record from both tables. If any duplicate records exists, they are displayed only once. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी डुप्लीकेट रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं है. All names are uniquely identified. Second operator is union operator. Sorry, union all operator. Union all operators combine records from two tables and keep duplicates records. Select start from student A, union all, select start from student B. Okay, all records from both tables are displayed. Duplicate records are not removed in union all. So there is no any duplicate records. So all names are uniquely identified or unique database. Third one is a intersect operator. So intersect operator display only the common records that are present in both tables. Select start from student A, intersect, select start from student B. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कोई भी रिकॉर्ड्स कॉमनली मतलब कॉमन रिकॉर्ड्स यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रेजेंट नहीं है। आपको ज़्यादा डिफरेंस समझ नहीं आया होगा तो मैं क्या करती हूँ और एक रिकॉर्ड यहाँ पे ऐड करती हूँ, इंसर्ट, जो कि डुप्लीकेट होगा। तो आपको यहाँ पे सारे मतलब जो डिफरेंसेस है वो समझ आएंगे। इंसर्ट इनटू स्टूडेंट A values in bracket 1 comma dash Priya. Okay. First, union operator, execute this command again. Okay. So firstly, see student A table. First, Priya or Priya both are duplicate values, but union operator can be duplicate value will be removed. So here is only one Priya can be displayed. Notice that Priya appears only once because union removes duplicate. Second one is a union all. अभी आपको डिफरेंस समझ आया होगा कि यूनियन कैसे वर्क करता है। सेकंड वन इज अ यूनियन ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स फ्रॉम बोथ टेबल्स आर डिस्प्ले, डुप्लीकेट रिकॉर्ड्स आर नॉट डिस्प्ले, सॉरी नॉट रिमूव्ड। तो यहाँ पे जो प्रिया प्रिया है वो हर सेकंड बार आपको डिस्प्ले हो रहा है। नेक्स्ट वन इज अ इंटरसेक्ट। Intersects are common value will be present. So in many MySQL versions used in college, intersects may not be supported directly. In such cases, inner joins can be used as an alternative. So next one is a expect operator. Fourth one is a expect operator. In expect displays record that are present in the first table but not in the second table. First selects start from student A table, expect select start from student B table. Semicolon is important. Execute this command. Okay. See here, records available only in student A are displayed because because Priya is a present in a both table are will be executed. Many MySQL versions does not support expect directly. Alternatives such as the left join or not exist are commonly used. Important rules for a set operator. First is a both select statement must have be the same number of the column. Second one, corresponding column should have compatibility data types. Third one is a column names can be different. Fourth one is a the order column should be the same. And fifth one is a set operators works on the results of select statement. In real life example, suppose a college maintains two students list, student participating in sport and second one is a student participate in a Culture events. Using a set operator union all participants. Union all में क्या होगा? All participants including duplicates. थर्ड इंटरसेक्स में क्या होगा? स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेट्स इन बोथ एक्टिविटीज. एंड लास्ट में होगा एक्सपेक्ट में क्या होगा? स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेटिंग ओनली इन स्पोर्ट्स. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि सारे जो हमारे रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स है वो हमने क्या किए यहाँ पे कंप्लीट किए. So in this video we learn about what are the set operator, second union, third union or operator, fourth intersect operator, then fifth is a expect operator, and last one is a rule and real life example. A set operator are very useful when needs to combine, compare and filter data from a multiple tables. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to channel Tech with Pranita. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.